In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google Chrome step by step, so you can switch Chrome into the language you're most comfortable using. This is a really useful setting if your browser is showing the wrong language, if you've just installed Chrome on a new device, or if you simply want to use Chrome in another language for work, study, or travel. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where you can access Chrome settings and customization options. From the menu, click Settings. Now that you're in Chrome settings, look at the left-hand menu and find Languages. Click on Languages to open the Language Settings page. This is where Chrome lets you manage the language used for menus, buttons, spell check, and the browser interface itself. Next, you want to add the language you want Chrome to use. Click Add Languages. A box will appear with a list of available languages. In the search bar, type the language you want. For example, if you want English, type English into the search field. When you see the language you want, select the checkbox next to it, then click Add. After adding the language, you'll see it appear in your language list. Now comes the important part. Find the language you just added, then click the three dots next to it. A small menu will appear, and from there choose Display Google Chrome in this language. This tells Chrome to use that language for the browser interface. Once you select that option, Chrome will usually prompt you to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch, and Chrome will restart automatically. After it opens again, Google Chrome should now be displayed in the language you selected. If you want, you can also go back into languages later and adjust more language preferences, such as moving languages higher in the list or managing translation settings. But for most users, these steps are all you need to successfully change the Chrome language, and that's it. You've now changed the language in Google Chrome. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the setting, and now you can use Chrome in the language that works best for you. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.